let us do the second property of transpose of matrix. See what the property says. A plus B, the whole transpose will definitely equals to A transpose plus B transpose. That's it. To prove this property, let us do the mathematical illustration. Firstly, take two matrices, matrix A and matrix B, and they should be of same order. Only then I can add them. So, A and B both matrices have same order, that is 2 by 2. So, firstly see here, that is the left hand side of this property, that is the right hand side of this property. Firstly we will take left hand side. According to left hand side, just do the addition of two matrices, then we have to take its transpose. So, firstly do the addition just. Right here A plus B matrix will equals to, put this matrix, put here addition sign, now put here second matrix, that is, now do the addition. 1 plus 0 will give us 1, 1 plus 2, 3, 0 plus 3, 3, 3 plus 3, that is 6. Here we have A plus B matrix. But according to this property, in LHS we have to take the transpose of A plus B. Now just do or compute its transpose. Just interchange its rows and columns, then we can find its transpose. This first row will become first column. This second row will become second column. Here that is a plus B transpose. That's it. Now see right hand side of this property. According to right hand side, firstly I have to take A transpose, then I have to compute B transpose, then I have to do addition of this. Then this will be definitely equals to A plus B whole transpose. Let us prove. Now here you can see we have matrix A. From here we can find A transpose. Just interchange its rows and columns. Its first row will become first column, second row will become second column. Now do B transpose. To find B transpose, just interchange its rows and columns. This first row will become first column, second row will become second column. Now we have A transpose and B transpose. Now just do the addition of A transpose plus B transpose. 1, 0, 1, 3 plus 0, 3, 2. Now do the addition. 1 plus 0 gives us 1. 0 plus 3, 3. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. Here A dash plus B dash. Here you can see this is equals to this one. So from this we can say A plus B whole transpose is equals to A transpose plus B transpose. That's it.